Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to the channel Craft India. Today our topic is the West Badab craft ideas. Old Badab's craft idea. You are watching different ideas of the old West Badab. You can paint and decorate. You are watching the spirit lamp made with the old Badab. You are watching the uh, light of decorating. You are watching the plant planter. You are watching old uh, lantern uh, convert with the uh, new lamp. Unique, easy and unique idea you can made at home easily. You learn the process of the convert old lantern. You are watching another idea of the table lamp. You are watching fan shaped lamp and other ideas, different unique and easy ideas of the making lamps and old bulb use uh, painting and different plantation planter plant pot. You are watching a big bulb, old west bulb for plant. You are watching the um, vase. You can use the old bulb different decorating activities. You are watching different colorful night bulbs used for decoration, Christmas tree decoration and Halloween decoration. You are watching old West bulb decorating ideas, new and unique ideas. You can decorate your kids' room and anywhere in home. You can wall hanging made with the old bulbs, West bulbs, West night bulbs. You can made the uh, plant pot and table decoration ideas. You are watching you can plant money plant in old bulb. You can decorate Christmas tree, dollar tree. You are watching the another idea of the old west bulb. You are watching the honey bee made with the old bulb. You are watching another is a unique idea.